and you are tuned into Jamaicans.com. I am from Cherrie Gardens in St. Andrew, Jamaica. So yes, my name is actually a tribute to where I was raised. Well, as a child, my parents had me in dance class, ballet, tap, jazz, and that's when I got involved with the musical. My Fair Lady, Cabaret, these were high school plays then, but that's where I really fell in love with the theatrical arena of performing. I really look up to Taraji, Gabrielle Union. Just those two females, I feel like I look up to their spirit, their demeanor, as well as their path and their success. In terms of, I guess, human beings that would be my heroes, I would have to give that title to my mom and dad. Their investment, their unity, you know, because they're celebrating 40 years, over 40 years of marriage at this point, which is quite a feat in this day and age. Shout out to my parents because they're definitely my heroes in my life. Well, yeah, consistently I host a television show called Caribbean Focus TV, and that comes on Comcast and AT&T. That show covers a variety of different cultural and Caribbean manifestations that go on around town here in Atlanta and surrounding areas. June 11th, we have Resident Alien, which is the play that I'm starring in as Angela Brown. Also, I have another film project that I'm involved in, which is called The Ties That Bind, directed and written by none other than Lyndon Gonzalez. And this film will be circulating through the film festivals, especially Sundance Film Festival later on this year, so keep your eyes open for that. If I weren't in the entertainment industry, I would most likely be a doctor. I came to Atlanta to go to Emory University, and I studied biology and English double major, Spanish minor on a pre-med track. So, and while I was taking my subjects, psychology really, I fell in love with the science of psychology. I would have probably been a psychologist. I'd probably be counseling some of you out there. Would you be coming to me? Yeah, you probably would be coming to me. Get some counseling. Dr. Cherrie Garden. So, now you know. This is Cherrie Garden, and that's spelled Cherrie Garden. Make sure that you follow me on my Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and follow me, friend me, like me. That way we can stay in touch. Guys, thanks for tuning in to Jamaicans.com. Stay tuned.